Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Rust Belt Garage, and today we're going to be installing a new cabin air filter on my 2011 Subaru Outback Sport. And if your Impreza looks like this is the video for you. So let's hop to it. Pretty easy job, but you will have to remove your glove box. So with that said, just make sure it's emptied out, which I've already done mine. All you gotta do is pop that, and you will see underneath where it kind of clips in two places. You might have to pull in on this side, but normally no. You just snap it out and it comes right off. Cabin air filter right here. You see his tabs, that's it. Nobody ever thinks to replace these. Pretty nasty. Alright, let's grab your new one, slide it in, and it clips in. I just bought mine at AutoZone. There's the part number if you want. It's like 31 bucks for the good one. Not bad. Then, and yet, I'm doing this with one hand, if that tells you how easy this is. But there's where it clips in. Once you clip it in, just shove it up until those snap in. That's it. Alright. Reconnect. Make sure it closes. Alright, job done. Alright guys, thanks you for watching another video here. And but yeah, Subaru wants to charge like 80 bucks for this. The cabin air filter is like 30 bucks. So you're saving like 50 bucks. And they ought to be ashamed of themselves. But anyway, I appreciate you guys, and have a good day.